former governor of Rivers State, Governor Wike. Some years back, I could remember by this time, so many families are in pain. So many Igbos in Rivers State, they are in pain. They are crying for how you send some militaries to slaughter innocent people. You use the authority you have as a governor, slaughter innocent Igbo youth. Do you think that their blood have blessed? Their blood never less. And whatever a man sow in this life, you will reap what you sow. Anything you do on this world, kill your fellow human being, you must receive that punishment here on earth, and your children will receive the punishment. But sometimes you governors think that through the authority you people have, political power, that you can do whatever you can do. Yes, you can do whatever you can do, but when spirit come to judge you, spirit will judge you, and no authority, no power on earth can stop the spirit from judging you. Governor Wike, you use because of power, you use because of the authority you have in Rivers State, and you slaughter innocent Igbo youth, Igbo people in Rivers State, and you think you will go free. You want to be a Goliath in Rivers State, and look at how small David now are maltreating you. That power that you have in Rivers State that make you to think that you are the strongest man in Rivers State has been now be taken away from you. Even though you are not a governor of Rivers State, but you want to become as a king. Now that power has been taken away from you. That power that you have in Rivers State that made you to slaughter innocent Igbos because of Biafra. Now that power has been taken away from you. Whatever a man sowed in this life, you will reap what you sowed. By this time that year, many families, they are crying. They are crying. Innocent people, they were crying. They are crying. Some of their family are laying curse on you. Some of their family are crying. Do you think that all they cry, those people cry, innocent people? Do you think that God did not hear their cry? Now look at you, look at Rivers State. Look at what is happening to you in Rivers State. Whatever a man sowed in this life, you will reap what you sowed.